What is retaliatory eviction in landlord-tenant law? Imagine you just reported a broken heater or unsafe conditions in your apartment. Then suddenly, your landlord starts talking about eviction. Could that be retaliation? Let's find out. Retaliatory eviction happens when a landlord tries to evict a tenant as punishment for the tenant exercising a legal right. This is illegal in most places because it punishes tenants for actions like complaining about housing issues, requesting repairs, or reporting violations to authorities. If you call the health department about mold or join a tenant group, your landlord can't legally evict you just because of that. Usually, if a landlord seeks to evict a tenant within a certain time frame, often 6 months, after the tenant exercised a protected right, the law assumes the eviction is retaliatory. The tenant must be current on rent to claim this protection. So if you complain about a leaking roof and then get a notice to leave a few months later, that could be seen as retaliation. Landlords are not allowed to threaten eviction, increase rent, cut off services, or end a periodic lease because a tenant exercised their rights. These actions are considered retaliatory and are against the law. If a landlord does this, tenants can raise retaliatory eviction as a defense in court. The landlord then has to prove they had a valid reason unrelated to the tenant's protected actions, like non-payment of rent or lease violations. If a court finds an eviction was retaliatory, it will deny the landlord's request to remove the tenant. But the landlord can still pursue rent owed or other lawful claims. Common mistakes landlords make include trying to evict right after a tenant complains without a real reason, or not keeping proper records of legitimate grounds for eviction. Tenants often make mistakes by not keeping proof of their complaints or not paying rent on time, which weakens their case. To avoid legal trouble, landlords should make sure any eviction is based on clear, lawful reasons that are not connected to tenant complaints or protected activities. Keeping detailed records helps show the eviction is legitimate. Tenants should keep records of their complaints, communications, and dates when they exercise their rights. Staying current on rent payments also helps protect their rights. Understanding retaliatory eviction helps both sides avoid wrongful actions. Landlords need to follow the law and document reasons for eviction. Tenants should keep proof of their rights exercises and stay on top of rent. This way, everyone stays within the rules and avoids unnecessary legal issues.